IDTSI. I'm going to demonstrate to differentiating our tools in slaughtering operation of swine. This first, introduce the PPE. Our PPE to our feet, hard boots and working shoes in the meat cutting area. And we have in here is apron, industrial apron. Then our long shirt or pants. We have hard hat and different kinds of industrial goggles to protect our eyes. Then air plug, industrial air plug to our ears to louder sounds. Then the different kinds of gloves. First, we have in here as industrial chain gloves or anti-cut gloves. Then we have gloves as plastic gloves or wood grade gloves. Then this textile rubber gloves and cotton gloves. And next, we proceed into different kinds of hairnet. We have industrial hairnet and disposable hairnet. And this we're cutting hairnet into our frozen area. Then different we have also as belt, as nylon belt. Then different kinds of sharpening tools. We have kinds of sharpening tools in using honing steel. There's a metal molding steel and one is rubberized industrial steel. And to the compact sand, we have this whetstone or comparandum. Then let's proceed to the different kinds of knife. This is a utility knife. Then we mobilize our knife procedure into the sticking. We use this as different inches and the 5 inches for our knife safety. And this is industrial working knife and bending knife. And we proceed to our procedure as butcher knife. Example of first is the sticking knife. We have 2 cutting edge and 1 pointed. And we proceed to another modern knife with 6 inches length. And this is the modern knife, also butcher knife. We have 8 or 9 inches. Then industrial butcher knife as utility we use for dehaling. Then next is the filling knife, is also the modern butcher knife. This is one of the last of the knives into the butchery as a traditional butcher knife. And before we forgot, this is the filling knife or deboning knife to our last knife introduction. Then this is the scabbard, one of the terms we use in operation inside of the slaughterhouse. Then we proceed to different kinds of stripper. First, we introduce the belt stripper due to the function of the gafferling process. Then we next as air stripper to the final dispatch of the product or carcasses. Then sawdust represent the same function of air stripper, but we use to the meat sawdust on the final stage of weighing. Then we proceed to meat dust. When we cut the carcasses, we as a little bit meat, we strip that for the final and quality control. When last introduction for the kind of the slaughtering operation is kinds of the hook. We have handle as a wood handle hook to mobilize our crates or that metal pallet for delivery or for the dispatch. In the industrial hook, we use the hard plastic, and also we expanded hook. And also the metal hook. We combine this hook using the hook removing also and lift up the meat to transferring. Also we use this. Then extensional letter S hook, we're using our extended to transferring, lifting the carcasses. And also we have this one as DIY, or we provided long hook for long distance mobile line for our transferring of the meat and or lifting our scalding into the hot surface of the water. And that's all. Thank you and good day.